Rob at EMPI. Welcome to the first ever PMO Induction Open House.
Here at the PMO Open House from Dansk and Denmark. We have a great time here. Hey, it's Adrian and I'm at the PMO Open House. And I just want to thank Greg for lending us his 356 Speedster. Everybody really loves it.
We've had an awesome PMO Induction Open House, the first ever. Awesome cars, tons of parts from our partners at JP Group and SSI and Dansk. Everybody loves our carburetors and our fuel injection. We had some cookies. It was a great time. We hope you made it. If not, put it on your calendar next year. And by the way, EMPI Open House, June 15th, Saturday, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. We want you here. Any air-cooled Volkswagen, any Porsche, we want you here. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.